I visited Rhodes in June for an orientation, and at that event you get to meet with a faculty advisor. I was assigned to Dr. Eckenhoff. We just immediately hit it off and started talking about research, and already I was saying how I wanted to do research as a first year. And after that I just immediately went up to him and was like, all right, well, I still want to be involved in your research group. Your research really interests me. And I basically started from there and started working in this lab in September of my first year.
Renewable energy is probably the holy grail for the 21st century for chemists, and particularly inorganic chemists. We have a large global population increase expected over the next 30 or 40 years. All of those people are going to want a good quality of life. Currently, fossil fuels are the only thing really positioned to meet that demand, and so we'd like to be able to provide something that's far greener. So we are looking at a number of different things to basically harvest solar energy.
Being able to say, well, actually this is published research and my name's on it, that's a pretty good feeling. And that normally doesn't happen to undergrad students, so it's really powerful.